Hello everybody, I'm going to teach you how to add custom achievements to XGen. This is my third time recording. I'll give a stupid mistake I made. But what you want to do is you want to add your achievement name to the achievement list. I'm going to add mine. It's actually already there with the lower cases, so it actually works as the second time I have everything correct, just that I had a capital letter. It sends up with capitals on there. Then put your achievement description. Now if I go to the achievements folder, and make a folder with your achievement name in it. After that, make a TXT file within your achievement name -goal. This is just going to be your requirement for unlocking this achievement. So for this, it says if the difficulty is normal, then unlock this achievement. So this only works with sans, weeks, and difficulties. So yeah, it is pretty limited. But most achievements are literally you beat this week, or you beat it on all or something. I think like if a mod even has custom achievements, they're always related to beat this week or something. So it should be enough for most mods. So after you're done doing that, open up the oh my god, let's get the orders on. We need to compile. So on Windows 11, right click open Windows Terminal. If you're on Windows 10, it should be something called File, and click in it, click Open PowerShell. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna compile it, but we're gonna send it to debug because it is a fast and easy. Oh my, bro, don't miss on my bro. So we're gonna put this into debug mode. If it's your first time compiling, this might take a bit. Also, the reason why we have to do debug mode is because the requirement for getting this achievement is like for even like every single condition, because there's only 3 conditions, is to beat a son or a week. And for that we have to skip sons. And just to make it faster, so you guys don't have to see me play spookies for a minute, we're just gonna be putting debug mode. So I can just press 1 and the son's being on. Like, if you're trying to test something or trying to use offset editor, debug mode is your friend. You can skip sons in debug mode. You're able to access the offset editor in debug mode. Also for people who mod the original source code, you would also press A to access the animation debug menu. Now I make sure you could do that without debug, because I didn't really see a reason why. But yeah. So a quick way to actually see if it's finished compiling is to see if it says link application.exe. So yeah, it's about to be compiled. Also, I think debug mode might take a bit longer to compile. I think I'm pretty sure debug mode takes a while, like a bit more to compile. I'm pretty sure. So just keep that in mind. Here, access the game, go to free play, check if my game is normal, yes it is. Go into spookies, is there a song, and we're just gonna press 1 to skip the song because we're in debug mode. So the way to tell if you got achievements is if you hear the confirm enter menu. Also, a way to tell if you actually got the Friday night achievements if you hear like click noise. I think that's it. So if you're right here, you've unlocked our achievement test. This is for tutorial. Also, the great thing about achievements is they're already saved. Like, instead of them being on a TXT file, like for example, your options are on a TXT file, these are saved in your app data folder, so they'll roam around, basically meaning that if you get another version of XGen, these achievements will be there if the XGen version supports it. Like, so if you're, for example, on 0.0.6, it won't appear, but like if you're on this version, the recent version, 0.0.7, then they will appear. So that's how to add custom achievements. Next in our tutorial, we're going to be telling you how to add custom difficulties. It's actually like extremely easy. Yeah, that's basically it. Peace out, everyone, and I will see you on my next video, Last Year's Vlog. Peace.